How coronavirus changed our lives and how 2021 and 22 will be changed. Hi guys, today I am going to talk about how our life and our lives have been changed by the coronavirus and how it will be in the future. How our lives gonna depend upon and changes after the coronavirus getting free by our nation. Hi guys, I am Shiva and today I am going to talk about how coronavirus has changed our life and how it will change our 2021 and 22. Before we start the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. In the year 2020, the whole world is fighting with a virus, which changed our lives and work at least temporarily. COVID-19 took many lives and many people jobless. The impact of this pandemic created will be there at least next few years. What's the effect of COVID-19 pandemic on the countries? During COVID-19 pandemic, imports and exports were affected adversely and it affected many countries. For example, the automobile industry in India. Import components from China. When China was fighting with coronavirus, factories were shut down. As a result, India's automobile industry had halted the production. Not just India, but many countries are depending on the import for many products such as electronics, pharmaceutical ingredients, etc. So in the year 2021, companies will work on diversifying supply chains and countries will work on achieving self-sufficiency. This may lead to protectionist tendencies. COVID-19 came when the world is least expecting it. No country is fully ready to face it. Many developing countries have a shortage of healthcare professionals and equipment. Even developed countries have a shortage of medicines. So in 2021 and 22, countries may work on fill this gap. As coronavirus forced people to sit at homes and the demand for telemedicine facilities increased drastically. In 2021, hospitals and governments may work to make telemedicine facilities for more accessible. COVID-19 has been changed the working process of the companies and the people. 2021 and 22 may bring more work from home jobs as more and more companies are thinking of as it win-to-win situation for them and for the employees. Virtual meetings will become more common in 2021 and 22. People may not travel on flights just to attend official meetings. This will result in less carbon emissions. What was the effect on climate change? We have been fighting with climate change for a long time. United Nations member countries started working on the common goal of making affordable and clean energy accessible to all. But coronavirus pandemic affected the world economy badly and every country is working a lot to uplift the economy. So the transition to clean energy may take a backseat in 2021 and 22. As many people are now scared to eat out and are preparing healthy food to boost immunity. Restaurants and food delivery apps may continue to struggle in 2021 as also. There will be more investment in the companies for the manufacturing hygiene related products and new foods. Because of this COVID-19 pandemic, there will be more e-learning opportunities for the students and the employees. And the people may save more money by avoiding unnecessary expenses because COVID-19 pandemic taught people that anything can happen at any time and savings are more important to protect ourselves in tough times. We have witnessed people stuck in other countries or in other states within the country due to lockdown throughout the world. After going through difficult times in 2020, people want to stay close to their families. If it happens, it will alter the demography of many regions. Because of the COVID pandemic, people have suffered more, as people may not be ready to go theaters at least for next few months. Because of this, the OTT platforms such as Netflix and Amazon Prime may take over the traditional film industry in 2021 and 22. Not just this, with an increase in work from home jobs, 2021 and 2022 may see an increase in cyber security threats. And lastly, what's the conclusion of this all? Coronavirus pandemic affected everyone and changed our daily lives. The world will create 2021 and 22 based on these changes and also the lessons we learned while fighting with the pandemic. So guys, this is the video I have made on the coronavirus pandemic and how it will change our daily lives in 2021 and 22. I will soon come up with another good content video. Until then, keep supporting me and thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please share this video to your friends and family and hit like and subscribe to my channel.